In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Calendar to Todoist. To get started, open Todoist.com in your Chrome browser and sign in so you can access your project dashboard. Make sure you're fully logged in and looking at your main Todoist workspace before moving on. Starting from the dashboard is helpful because it gives you a clear home base, and from there, the settings menu is easy to find. Once you're inside Todoist, look to the area where your profile avatar appears. Click on that profile icon to open the account menu. This menu contains several options related to your account and workspace, so take a moment to make sure you're selecting the right one. From that menu, choose Settings. This will open the main settings panel, where Todoist groups different account controls into separate sections for easier navigation. Inside Settings, find and open the Integrations tab. This is the section where Todoist allows you to connect external tools and services to improve how your tasks and scheduling work together. If you use both Todoist and Google Calendar, this is the place where the connection begins. Opening the Integrations area will show you a list of available services that can be linked to your account. Now look for the Google Calendar service block in that list. When you find it, click the Connect Calendar option next to Google Calendar. This begins the connection process between Todoist and your calendar service. Depending on your setup, you may be prompted to continue through a standard authorization window in your browser. If that happens, simply follow the on-screen prompts to continue the connection securely. As you go through this part, it's a good idea to carefully review each permission screen before accepting. This helps you understand what Todoist will be able to access and how the integration will function once it's enabled. In most cases, the prompts are straightforward and the process only takes a moment. After the connection is started, you'll be one step closer to syncing your task planning with your calendar workflow, which can make it easier to manage deadlines and stay organized in one connected system. If anything doesn't appear right away, give the page a moment to load and make sure you're still signed into the correct accounts in your browser. That's it for this process. You've opened Todoist in Chrome, gone into your account settings, navigated to integrations, and selected the option to connect Google Calendar.